Hey guys, J-Mac here with More Better BBQ. In this episode, I'm going to show you our preparation, our cook, and our result from King of the Mountain, a brand new competition here in New Zealand. It's in New Plymouth, and I'm frothing to get back into it. Obviously, we've been locked down for a little while. So we're going to show you what we did, how we did. This is being filmed a couple of days before the event, so I have no idea at this point, but we've got a bit of a surprise for everyone. This weekend, we have invited the son of the late Caleb Tyler, Elijah, to come and cook with us, so he's going to be our lucky charm, and I know Caleb's going to be rooting for our team, so hopefully we do him proud. More Better BBQ, King of the Mountain, let's do it. Running a little bit behind time, but I think we're going to go well. I've been thinking a lot about the comp. It's a lot of competing in barbecue is mental. You've got to have the I can win mentality, having your processes all well thought through. So we've got a lot of equipment there, everything's squeaky clean. I think this is one of the best front loads that we've ever done. Stay tuned because there's more coming. So here we are, King of the Mountain 2020, the first of its kind. We've got the pit yard behind us. Nice and brisk, it's probably about 6:30. We've got our brisket on, we've got our pork on, it's cranking in the pit. We run hot and fast, so we're running at about 325, 300. We've got the cook cartel behind us firing up. There are 18 teams competing this weekend. All those poor buggers in Australia and America locked down with COVID-19. And we got the privilege of being able to compete here in New Zealand. This is our third comp of 2020, so we're looking forward to getting some points on the board. We're not even on the board yet. Boys are cranking out good. We had a little catastrophe this morning with a drop brisket on the gravel. I don't know if you can see that gravel, but hey, like Tuffy Stone says, it's all with how you deal with catastrophe. So we're still calm and collected and cool. Looking forward to a good cook this weekend.